Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm a trader on XAU. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of gold USD. So, let's get started. So, first of all, I would like to take you to the economic calendar because we have got some market driving events coming up today. You can see that we have got retail sales report and Fed interest rate decision. So, there will be volatility, extreme volatility in the market. So, be careful. So whatever you do, please follow proper risk management and do not trade without stop loss because there will be extreme volatility in the market. Your account may get double or your account may also reduce to half as well. So be careful. And this is a chart of gold USD in front of us right now. And as you can see that gold is trading at 1919. 1919. This is the current market price of gold here. So what should be our strategy for the day? So first of all, the important level on the chart of gold is 1908. If market comes to this level, there is a possibility of market bouncing. If market bounces, well and good, we can go for a buy. But keep in mind, if we look at the present trend of the market, yes, we are not looking at the overall trend. We are looking at the present trend. If we look at the present trend of the market here, then we can see that the present trend of the market is very much towards the downside. Overall, the trend may be towards the upside, but in this moment right now, okay, market is kind of bearish. So as a result, okay, when market will be approaching the 1908 level, watch the market. If you see price rejection from below, we can go for a buy. You can see that previously also price rejected. So if you see some kind of price rejection, if we see hammer kind of a candlestick pattern or let's say bullish engulfing pattern, we can go for a buy at 1908. Okay, but on the other hand, if we see that market has come to the 1908 level and there is no price rejection, selling pressure is high enough, in that case do not go for a buy. Okay, in that case we can go for a sell if market breaks the 1908 level. So observation will be very important around 1908 level. So if market bounces, we can go for a buy from 1908. If market breaks the level and starts going down, we can go for a sell, and our target will be 1895, 1893 around this level. So around what will happen around 1895, okay, around 1892, 1893, let me write it down. Around 1892 and 1893 we have got support. Okay, we have the horizontal support here, then we have got 200 period moving average. So if we combine both the factors here, there is a possibility that 1891-92 will be acting as the next big support for the market. Okay, so there is a possibility of market bouncing from this level. So if market bounces, we can go for a buy at 1891 to 92. But again, I'm saying observe the market first. As I have already said that there will be extreme volatility in the market. So if market breaks the 1890 level and starts going down, if you see a big red candle, then obviously you'll have to understand that this market is under the dominance of sellers and you cannot go for a buy. If market breaks it, if market breaks the level of 1890 with good amount of volume, then there will be heavy selling and we can go for a sell as well. So if market starts coming down right now, okay, so first important level will be 1908 and the second important level will be 1891 to 1892. Okay, these two are the important levels for us right now. And on the other hand, if market goes up, okay, if market goes up, honestly speaking, if you want to go for a buy right now, that's your personal decision. But I think that beginners, new traders should not take any position right now because right now we do not have any clarity about the market. Try to understand. Overall, the market is very bullish. Okay, market seems to be bullish, and as we all know, due to the Russia and Ukraine war, market was extremely bullish. But in this moment, the market is under the dominance of sellers. We can see heavy selling going on. So both the trends are contradictory. दोनों trend अलग अलग चल रहे हैं, अपने खिलाफ जा रहे हैं. So as a result, we do not have any proper clarity about the market. So we need to wait for the perfect levels. We need to wait for the levels so that we can understand what to do. Be a trader, not a gambler. And as I always say, it's your duty to protect your hard-earned money. A trader only trades when the opportunity is right, when the time is right. Okay, so if market goes up from here, okay, let's say market starts going up from here, observe the market, okay, observe the market around 1930 to 1935. Okay, why 1930 to 1935? Because the 1930 to 1935 is important, because in the 1 hour time frame we can see that the 50 moving average is acting as the dynamic resistance as the market. Okay, so there is a possibility that around 1930 1935 market will face some selling pressure. So if market really faces selling pressure, if we see around 1930 that market is witnessing shooting star kind of a pattern, or let's say bearish pin bar, okay, bearish engulfing pattern, then we get the confirmation that yes, this is a resistance and we can go for a sell as well. Okay, so 1930 to 35, and the second level will be 1945 to 1950. 1945 to 50 is important because this is also the next resistance for the market. So in case market breaks the 1935 3035 level and starts going up, then wait for the market to reach the 1945 to 1950 level. Why this level? Because let me show you. Ta-da-ta-da. See, this is the Fibonacci retracement level. So the exact level is around 1947-48. Okay, so but we are considering this as a zone, so 1945 to 1950. So if market goes down, again I'm repeating, if market goes down, then 1908 will be important, and the next will be 1891. Okay, if market goes down, and if market starts going up, then 1935, sorry, 1930 to 35, and the 1945 to 1950. These two are the levels important if market goes up. Okay, but right now market, we are in dilemma. We do not have any clarity, clear picture. Okay, so it's better to wait. Keep in mind, today we have big events coming up, so be careful and please use proper stop loss.